Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about subtracting dissimilar fractions using butterfly method. Find the difference. 3/4 minus 1/5. These fractions are dissimilar fraction because they have different denominators. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have 3 times 5 equals 15. Next, 4 times 1 equals 4. Next, multiply the two denominators. We have here 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Then subtract the results from the cross multiply. We have here 15 minus 4 equals 11. Then copy the denominator 20. Since 11/20 is already the lowest term, therefore 11/20 is our final answer. Another problem. Find the difference. 5/6 minus 3/7. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. Next, 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. Now, multiply the two denominators. We have here 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. Now, subtract the product of the diagonal pairs of numerators and denominators. We have here 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18 equals 17. Then copy the denominator 42. So our final answer is 17/42. Another problem. Find the difference. 3/4 minus 1/2. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 1 equals 4. Then multiply the two denominators. We have here 4 times 2 equals 8. Now, subtract the product of the diagonal pairs of the numerators and denominators. We have here 6 minus 4 equals 2. Then copy the denominator 8. Now, let's reduce 2/8 into its lowest term. To reduce fraction, we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 2 and 8 is 2. Now, divide the numerator. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Divide the denominator. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our final answer is 1/4. Another problem. 3/5 minus 4/8. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 3 times 8 equals 24. 5 times 4 equals 20. Next, multiply the two denominators. 5 times 8 equals 40. Now, subtract the product of the diagonal pairs of numerators and denominators. We have here 24 minus 20 equals 4. Then, copy the denominator 40. Now, let's reduce 4/40ths into its lowest term. To reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor, or GCF. The GCF of 4 and 40 is 4. Now, divide the numerator. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Now, divide the denominator. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So, our final answer is 1/10. Another problem. 6/8 minus 4/9. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 6 times 9 equals 54. 8 times 4 equals 32. Then, multiply the two denominators, 8 and 9. So, 8 times 9 equals 72. Now, subtract the product of the diagonal pairs of numerators and denominators. We have here 54 minus 32 equals 22. Then, copy the denominator 72. Now, let's reduce 22/72 into its lowest term. To reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So, the greatest common factor of 22 and 72 is 2. Now, divide the numerator. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. 72 divided by 2 equals 36. So, our final answer is 11/36. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Find the difference. Write your answers in lowest terms, if possible. You only have 5 seconds to answer. 3/5 minus 1/3. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 4/15. Another problem. 3/4 minus 1/9. Time's up. The answer is 23/36. Next, 4/7 minus 2/5. Time's up. The answer is 6/35. Next, 5/7 minus 1/4. Time's up. The answer is 13/28. Next, 4/5 minus 2/3. Time's up. The answer is 2/15. Next, 5/6 minus 3/4. Time's up. The answer is 1/12. Three sevenths minus 2/8. times up. The answer is 5/28. Next, 5/9 minus 4/8. Times up. The answer is 1/18. 2/4 minus 3/10. Times up. The answer is 1/5. 5/6 minus 2/3. Times up. The answer is 1/6. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about subtracting dissimilar fraction using butterfly method. Thanks for watching.